Hello, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing reading. Here we go. Open your book to page 49, reading lesson 3. What do you see here? I see an organizer, graphic organizer. Okay. Enrich visible thinking, analytical thinking, creating a process. In the story, you learned that astronauts must wear special space suits and equipment to go outside the spacecraft. Using the information from the story, complete the graphic organizer to write a step-by-step guide for astronauts about the process of putting on the special suit and life support system. Okay, you have to back and to read the story, okay? The story, okay, in order to find this information. Okay, but let me help you. Okay, number 1, pull on. Okay, I have lunar overshoes. Okay, number 2, strap on portable life support system. Adjust oxygen hose. Number 4, adjust hose for water cooled underwear and put on helmet. Number 5, put on steel fibered gloves with rubber fingertips. Okay, please, if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. Okay, and remember, nobody's perfect. That's why pencils have erasers. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.